Hello gentlemen, today video I intend to show you the solution why we have the problem of CPU increase 100% during running by post method, and I already found the problem and fixed the problem, so I make this video to show you the solution. Okay, now I start the application number 2 and start client. The first, I don't do anything, and I will check the CPU uses when I start client. Now you see, when we start for video on the page, and I see CPU increase 100%. However, the GPU only 7%. It means that GPU is not running during YOLO object detection starting. So what you do is you check the program from here. Uh, you know that we use a ultralytic import YOLO. However, the model we put inside the loop, so it's become wrong operation. So normally model should be stay before while loop, before while loop. So there are two solutions. So you can check from here, CPU increase 100%, right? So it's not good for production. It's affect to your computer. So what I'm doing is I stop the video. I will correct on the video. So now I try to put models from here. Cut. And I put before while loop and see what happened with it. Okay. So we started again. Okay, I start client right now. Okay, when I start client, if I put GP, if I put model outside of while loop, the CPU uses is reduced to 50% only, and GPU increase 23%. So it means that now GPU is running with YOLO object detection. You see, device 0. It means that CUDA graphic card, like external graphic card. So CPU is only 45%. So it's good for operation right now. Even you see, now we have object detection on the website, and CPU uses is only 50%. So it's very perfect, very perfect. And see, the operation is faster. You see, object detection running is faster than before. So remember, never put um, model inside while loop. We should put outside while loop with your low object detection. So I will try to correct another client. See, now for video playing, however, CPU only 50%. So I will stop this. I try to correct application number 1. And I put model. I do the same thing. I put model outside of while loop and save and run application. Even application. Sorry, that's this applications. Okay, here also I put model outside of while loop. So let's start from application 2. And now two video will play on web page. Compare CPU uses. Sorry. For I need to stop it. Application number 1. I close application 4. Application 1. That is okay. I refresh the client. Okay, now two video playing on the web page. However, the CPU only 45%. However, what problem if I open another client, localhost 8000, 5000? I open another client. What happened with this? CPU increase 48%, 40% only. I think there's a problem from server. Yes. Let's restart it again. Okay. From here, I would refresh the page. Refresh this page as well. This problem if I open two clients at the same times, and it would stop applications. Okay, that is a big issue. Application 1. If I start one client, it is no problem. Okay, if one client starting, there is no issue. However, if I start two clients, see, if I open two clients at the same time, it will strip unsync log fail. Understands. So what I am doing, if I try to put models before this one, how I try this outside of functions and try to start this. YOLO V8. I refresh this. What problem? There's only one video play here. However, here two video playings. I think two application in running. Okay, application number 1 resets. So model should be outside of the functions. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I put model outside of the function, there's no problem. See? So the best solution is put the model outside of functions. So let me go to applications. Put this outside of functions. So model is running only one times. So application 1. I do the same thing with application number 2. This one. Control C. I put it outside. So it means that we don't have a problem with starting any client. So what happens if I open one more localhost 5000? Yeah. If I open localhost 5000, I have only one video. This one, two. Because one video of complete. One video complete. Okay, so now how many client you open, the CPU uses is only very small. So what I'm doing, if I refresh the page again, I understand. If we're running like this, if the video complete, so we need to reset the server, set server, and then we start server again. And from here, we refresh the client. You have two videos playing at the same time right now. Okay. Okay, now two video playing. CPU is using only 40%. Even two client is running. Three client runnings. But yeah. So 48% only. So that is a good solution to solve the problem overload of CPUs. So I will stop this video and I continue correct another applications. Streams. I open live feed last times. I remember see check from here models. Sorry, application. This one model from here. I will cut it and put it at the beginning. Yeah. Okay. I try to start live feed again. This is the last of the last projects. I will refresh this. So okay, waiting for some time. See, now CPU use is only 26%. Okay, let me try to stop this video and put model Control X. If I put model inside this functions without models, if I put model in here, what happened with this? And you can see CPU overload. See, CPU increase 100%. Print screen. See, and that video was playing very slow. Stop it.
Ơi, ok. Không muốn chơi chị với con hư quá. Đi ra khi nào?
Okay. Normally, we need to put the YOLO models inside, outside of the loop, so then we can have low resources of CPUs. It means that repeal runnings in your system. Okay, we already start server and now I start client again and waiting for some time. You can see the CPU uses Okay, the video speed increased a little bit, and CPU only 29%. After I put model outside of the loop or functions, I open another more client. Even I open 2 clients, but the resource is only 37%. How about 4 clients, 3 clients, 50% of CPUs? So computers still can handle the video. So I know the solution to fix this. So let me see how much. Okay, I already finished demonstrate how to fix the problem because repo is not running during running by YOLO. The problem is I put the model of YOLO inside the functions. So what I'm doing is only remove the models and put it at the head of the code, and the problem is fixed. Thank you very much for your watching. I will put this